Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I want to share with you it's called Mobile Apps Agency, and it's going to start going live this Tuesday, November 6th at noon Eastern Time in the USA. And I just want to give you, here's a video. I'm not going to make you watch the video because you can watch that on the sales page. But basically, what is Mobile App Agency? It's an app agency that is a full done-for-you suite to create mobile apps from A to Z with zero coding skills, including full agency marketing tool. And it's going to be a huge, huge thing to get into. So if you've been thinking about getting into building apps, or you know someone who is thinking about it, this might be a product that will really help them. So what you get with it is professional videos, 15 stunning white label videos covering multiple industries. You get landing pages, email scripts, case studies for different industries, the most popular industries. You get access to the private Facebook group, full marketing toolkit that has over 30 features. I'm going to show that below. White label, full white label area. Your customer can give mobile app clients access to their own login. Okay, so the customers will be able to go in, look at the app on their own. And you get the app building software. So if you join during the week of the launch week, whoever joins can create unlimited apps, but they have to join during launch week. This is just a launch week. It's just a special early bird opportunity. So these are the different features that come with your app builder. Okay, so I don't want to make this a long video because you're going to be able to access all of it when it goes live. And it's going to have more information. It's going to have more details for you. I just wanted to let you know about this. It goes live Tuesday, November 6th at noon Eastern Time in the USA. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you know somebody who might be interested in this, let them know about this video. Thanks.